As I did mention in my last presentation, I expected a very strong global stock market rally to continue up to the middle of July. That has indeed happened. There has been a marginal rise since then, and there could be a marginal rise for the next couple of days. Especially, I expect this Friday, the 29th of July, could be very bullish for most global stock markets. They could rise tremendously. But I believe that the writing is on the wall. We are nearing the time when most global stock markets should take a breather, should come down now dramatically. And barring the good rally which I'm expecting in the first half of October, I think most the rest of the year should be fairly negative for global stock markets. Now, the basis of this entire global stock market rally seems to be the liquidity. They're saying that, well, Japan has unleashed today helicopter money. Brexit is on the horizon, may or may not happen based on Theresa May's comments. It may not happen, but anyway, assuming that they go by the referendum in the United Kingdom, the Brexit is still a possibility, and this may spread to other parts of Europe. Let's not treat what has happened in the global stock market rally post Brexit referendum as a sign of, as a permanent feature. I believe honestly that this is only a lull before the storm. This could spread into other parts of Europe, and it's only the question of time. More importantly, more than Brexit, more than anything else, the US jobs report, I think the biggest problem I see on the horizon now is a global recession, a short-lived one, but most indicators that I have seem to be pointing towards a global recession in the last few months of this year. This year still has 5.5 months to go, and I believe that a global recession beginning September of this year is very much on the cards. So I believe that investors should stay on guard, and as the data, the future data starts coming out, it will all start pointing towards a global recession. You will see GDP growth falling in many parts of the world across continents, and makes it a very difficult situation for most analysts to understand this today. Since the US jobs report last month was fairly strong, people think that will continue. I don't think so. The jobs report next week, next Friday, is also going to show slowdown in growth. Do not forget that lots of these workers have left the US workforce. That's why the US unemployment rate looks to be lower than it should be. There is a distinct possibility of Brexit. In countries like Japan, liquidity is being unleashed in various directions. Helicopter money is being thrown all around. Terrorist attacks are on the increase, and it's pretty sad what's going on in terms of a clear-cut planned series of terrorist attacks, and all these are going to have an impact sooner or later. So I believe that that the calm that we have seen post the Brexit referendum is only a lull before the storm, and we should see a few more days of good stock market rally, at least for sure this Friday. Do market July 29, but I think we are nearing the end. The summer is going to witness, month of August should witness downfall, and especially I think the months September to December, almost till the end of the year, as the signs of global recession begin to become evident, most global stock markets are going to get a good hammering, barring the first half of October, where I said that due to certain reasons. Again, liquidity related, which I mentioned, it's an artificial reason, but anyway, there could be sudden liquidity that could be unleashed by many central banks, and that could lead to some rally in that part, first half of October 2016. And I've not even talked of the US elections and the uncertainty that that is going to unfold because of that, whether Donald Trump becomes triumphant or Hillary Clinton is going to be the president, next president. That's the call which the people of America are going to take. Anyway, for all these questions, you can also refer to my book, where I've got many financial predictions for the earlier part of this year, where I had mentioned a good global stock market rally post the Brexit referendum, and also by forecast for how the rest of the year, which is I think going to be a very dramatic year, is going to span out. So please do stay tuned. If you can, do have a look at my book, 2016 Outlook for Stocks, Bonds, Commodities, US elections, Brexit, weather and geopolitics, all in one. And stay tuned, stay calm. Do try to take some money off the table if you see a good rally over the next couple of days, especially on Friday. And do stay on guard. You will find better opportunities after the global recession signs have disappeared. So happy investing. Take and